What is GSTN checksum value? GSTN checksum value is the 15th and last digit in the GSTN number. It's very important to government and all of us also to validate correct GSTN. We are validate correct GSTN without rejects by checksum value. How to calculate GSTN checksum value? The calculation of GSTN checksum value is the very interesting and logical. Firstly, we need to set numbering to all possible digits in the GSTN number, means 0 to 9 and A to Z by replacing 0 to 9 and 10 to 35 respectively. Means 0 denote 0, 1 denote 1, A denote 10, like Z denote 35. We calculate checksum value in the 6 steps. Step 1. Find the place value of digit in the GSTN and multiply by it by factor. Step 2. Divide to place value by the number of digits in the GSTN and the quotient add into the remainder. Step 3. Repeat step 1 and step 2 for all digits in the GSTN. Step 4. Add all digit values which is calculated in the step 3. Step 5. Mod of sum and number of possible digits and subtract it from total digits. Mod again by it total digits. Step 6. The answer of step 5 is the place value of entire possible digits in the GSTN and find the checksum value from it. For more detailed description or for the C#, Java, etc. code for the implementation of checksum value in your application, please contact on your.gst.master@gmail.com. Thank you. For more videos related to GST, please subscribe our channel, Your GST Master.